Ka Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association Maasa kalaplay parda ya kalempung hair parachute ka Open Paragliding Championship menda ka Sngi ka nyotorek bat kanne hadu ka sipo terek uno pra. Ka Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association ha ka jo ka por kan sajit ru ya kinong hair paragliding ki batibet ban nikmat sya ka rensan Asian League qualification ka ban salong ha po di Thailand ha uni usna manwan. Ka Maasa kalapelong ya kani ka Jingiahersuiñ hair paragliding ha po Madan Rapleng ka bahap ha po ka Mawkynrew constituency kebajangan kumba 4 kilometer na po nong Basilong.
Saya juga di John Ernest Hogan and I'm the event director juga ni. And ini nak ke Meghalaya Aerospace and Adventure Sports Association. And kena ke event kadang setang tas ni. And kena ke Open Paragliding International Championship. Along with that kena ke Asian League qualification ba kini ki participants ni kelapan qualify melekai nanti kena ke event ke Pynlong Port Thailand next year. Dia hajuk ke poro mentah ke Sngi ngidon ke basis pak lain ngori participants ki bawan namporo ke region ndai tang napo India tambah kidai napo dan kinapo Singapore napo Thailand Indonesia dan tu napo Nepal ki neighboring countries ngiri kidon and then ngidon sekini ki defense personnel ro napo Indian Army dan tu ke Navy napo Assam Rifles kidon. Dan hajuk ke poro incident kini ki joyride ke nanti kini ki terus ki bro begini te ngaterpan efisien bro befiniawan ma finiawan pek dan tu hajuk ke por befin iba kum kan gijing lek karing don hang ni opo Meghalaya ma te hajuk ke por kan gadi kesen kemun kong bat kan ndi syuk kesen kemun khadu pan nomor ba nang ni smart mang kini timbang nang pen kiu syuk ya kan ka line of sports ana hajuk ke por ya ka tourism marah kan ka line ka kawan hajuk ke por ka sports bat ka tourism attraction te kibon hakilat te ngaterpan efisien bro ba so bahayawan iwan pen dia lesar kinanton lesis ni sporter dia kelas di sporter bagi kita sekarang closing ceremony rubo bro ba in ai kini ki cash prizes bagi atau kini ki participants ki macam dia idon 6 categories dia 6 categories idon ke prangot kini dong job kan dia ke first prize second prize ke third prize dia with all the 6 categories dia ke bisa so iwan kini ke qualification ka pasdang tas ni hadu sport trip ni December ke Lisbon. But kan ni ka event kan ni jing lek kai ka long hapo Madan Rapleng. Dia kam dah jangai ni po Smith te fiat tu kadon ni kalat ka balik sport lai lom. Dia ngin sebut kini saya ni just road nadu lesam stamp. Dia fin sai gitu kilat kum ki direction si borok ni.
Kini tadi ke baka ka host kini ke Maasa Meghalaya Aero and Adventure Sports Association. Kini ki association ketika berang tamai yang ni po Meghalaya. Tinggi kemen pada nak liang jong ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society bandon bentah kini lembah ka mat tadi ke ba nengkong hak state kan bandon paragliding. But kiwi deki adventure sports di ningkong ni pilot ya kani ka ni ai ka scheme ka ba ka sponsor ka Ministry of Skill Development Entrepreneurship kani ka central scheme. Kani ka scheme ni fokus ya ka inclusion jong ki disadvantages group bala aban long ki PWDs mo ki badan jingduna ka khamat ka skor but ki don ki ba ki SC ST di kani ka training ka bni fokus kadai lai phongwat ni sponsor na banta lai phongwat ki trainings na keleng jong ka jela kapok Meghalaya badai na ka background SC ST di kini ki lai phongwat pada dakila adep ya ka training kadon sa kawai pada ban tebet lagi Pynlong eligible bandong ki paragliders ki happen dan kata ka number of flying hours mo di kata ki happen further on ban le ya ka training jo ka P3 P4 level di kata ni je tang ship homeward ki padai ki ka masa kan saje ki top performer na kini ki lai homeward ban ya chu syakmat ban pursue ya kan dekat training of trainers kan dia kata pada kila ban maki pada nak kila ada nang ni kita la ban le ai training ya ki we dia lengba kan ni la ban yo kajing mentoy nak benta kini ki kena ki jongi mo ki badan ni kini ka kajing temu ban start ka kamla jong tingi don sibun kini ka jingdon kam liu i ki bon ki tourist ki bawan sini ki ba kiban kwa ban experience kum kani ngidon kini ki dom ki wa ki internet mo ha ka state sa jela ka jong ni keleng but lembah kan ni ka jing shim jong ni kani initiative ban ai ka scheme ki kolong bikin la ban train ki kena ban dal ada ban ai ki kam kai bagila ban sedang hina ladi lani ban shim hapok ke Maasa ban nang penhe syushu itu ka association joki.
Hello, my name is Sunny. I'm from Peru. came here for tandem paragliding to promote paragliding over here. If anyone want to fly, join us. We are having a competition right now. During competition, you also can fly, and after that, you can also fly. We're gonna stay here for like a month or 2 months, and we're gonna charge 2,500 per person, including video. If anyone wants to fly, please let us know. Have a great day. Thanks.
Hi, I am Pamit Yadav, Captain Pamit Yadav. My company is based on Noida, that is a Mumbai Aviation Sons Private Limited. And we are the operator and organizer of the paramotor. This is a paramotor. In this machine, the attached is a little aircraft engine like a Rotex, Polini. But in this trike, the engine is Polini Thor 250. And I am very happy to join Open Paragliding Championship and Asian League qualification. And I am very happy to not participate, but we are sponsor of the already for this event, and we are operate and we are regular operator in Meghalaya in Shillong. The paramotor after that is 7 to 10 December. We will be available here from morning 10 o'clock till sunset. And anybody want to joyride of paramotor, come in the Rapleng and book your ride and enjoy the sky of the Rapleng or the valley, beautiful valley.